Now we will open MS Excel. We will click on Start button, then we will click on MS Excel. We will start with the basic formula. For that we have to enter some digit. To use the basic formula, we have to write equals to, then we have to give the cell reference, like here A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, and we will click on enter. You can see that in A5 where we have written the formula, which is here, you can see in formula bar, it is giving the result. Then this is the basic formula by using equals to, and you have to give the cell reference and the formula will be entered. Now using compound formula. In compound formula we use more than one operator. For example, suppose we have to multiply and divide in a single formula, so we can use a compound formula. For example, right, we have to find out the simple interest. So first we need a principal amount, 100. Suppose we need a rate, suppose 2, and we need a time, suppose 3. To find out the SI, we have to multiply and divide in a single formula. So we will write equals to, then D2 multiply by D3 multiply by D4 divided by 100. When we will enter, we will see that the SI is calculated, and the formula you can see in formula bar. This is how we use compound formula. Using text formula. For text formula we can add the digit, no, we can add the alphabets. For example, I will say A, B, C, and in the next cell I will write D, E, F. If I want to add both of them, then what I have to do is I have to write equals to, then we have to give the cell reference F2. After that we have to use a dollar sign, and after that we have to give the second cell reference G2, then we have to enter. See, both the string is been added. We can add the string, or you can say that we can add the word by using text formula. After that we have a cell reference. For cell reference we can give the cell reference in a single cell. For example, if I want to add D2, D3, D4, D5 in a single go, I have to give the cell reference of these like this. I have to write equals to, then we have to use a formula sum. We have to open the bracket and we have to give the first cell reference. First cell reference is D2, and colon, the last cell reference is D5. We have to close the bracket, enter. See, all the digit is added. This is how we have to give the relative cell reference. In absolute cell reference, we have to use the dollar sign. For example, I have to add D2 and A2. For that I have to write equals to dollar sign D2 plus a dollar sign a dollar sign 2. Enter. Here we get the result of D2 plus A2. This is how absolute cell reference is being done. And the third one is mixed reference. For mixed reference, we can use both absolute and relative cell reference in a single cell. Thank you.